What's good, my little sweethearts, my little sweetie pies? Are you guys ready to watch some horror shorts? I am. Are you ready to watch them? I know I am. Are you? Are ah what what huh? Oh, which way am I going? I'm so sorry. Let's get into it. Okay, so this first video is called "Don't Feed Them," and it's by Will McDaniel. Look at me reading. You see my reading skills? Was that a birdhouse? It's on fire. 2 days earlier. Okay, so now we know he lives. Thanks for spoiling that. What? You. Oh yeah, why would you give food? Who are you giving food to? The box? What is that, an offering? Is that a shrine? Don't feed the birds. Was that a birdhouse or a shrine? Oh yeah, take that sandwich back. Snatch it away. You gave them nourishment. What are you doing in the middle of the forest anyway? Hiding a body? Sir? Oh, your lifestyle is weird, ain't it? I saw the birdhouse. Oh my god, Jimmy boy. You've made a grave error. They're like a girl I went to high school with. Can the shrine move? You really like your sandwiches, huh? What you got in there? Bologna and cheese? Is it, Oh, you don't eat your crust? Nah. I can't with this. Someone threw the bird. Oh my god. Okay, no heart. Relax. Calm down. Oh my god. No. No. Oh my god, that's not. Oh, it's kind of cute. It fucking threw itself at the door. You know, Jim, you kind of look like it. You got the same eyes. It doesn't even use its arms? Oh my god. It's gonna hit the... I was waiting for it to get electrocuted. It doesn't even flap its wings to fly. I want one. Where are we going? The Insidious Red Room?
Leave me alone.
You fed the birds. You didn't read the sign.
There wasn't a sign.
You fed the birds. You
Uh,
didn't read the sign.
is that the bird
Sign.
talking?
You fed the birds.
Is he gonna become a bird? Ew. He's spitting out sausages? Man, the goat throat. You got sausages like that up in there? Oh, the bird was sleeping with them. Oh my god, the sausages meant something else, didn't it? What did he do? What did he do? What kind of bread you got? Wheat?
Leave me alone.
Burn it, bro. Oh wait, that's what he does. Oh my god, the way it has titties. It's kind of cute, but I will still kick it in the face. Call your neighbors, bro. I'll be like, Cindy! Cindy! Look, he got the same eyes. Look at his fucking legs! Just pick it up and smash it. Petra. Hurry up. Stop looking. I don't care what noise it makes. That shit can literally be screaming my name and I'll still be doing what I need to do. Oh, but watch out, I might land on you while it's on fire. You know how mad I'll be if I set it on fire? Like, I win and it lands on me? Where is it? Oh my fucking god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Did none of his neighbors see a fucking flying puppet? Oh my god, this is I love it. I love this one. What the fuck? Okay, that bird though was kind of cute, wasn't it? Don't lie. I know you'd want one as a pet. I know I do. This next one is called The Painting, and it's by Dark Fun Weekly Horror Shorts. I used to be a painter. Wanna check this out? Dark Fun Original. Let's see what you got. Put my volume up. Oh. We'll get it, yo. She cleaning. I don't think you clean it if you don't hit the cha-cha one time, yo. If you don't hit the cha-cha one time, you didn't clean right. Why are you looking like that? It's just a canvas. Put it back! You oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. 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 I'll punch that wall. I'll punch that wall. Put it back, bitch. You know how quickly I leave that house? You don't know how quickly I'd leave that house. That's a window right there. I jump out that. Don't touch. It's talking to you. Girl, you got something on your eyebrow. What are you doing? Why do people in horror movies do this? You know how quickly I'll put it back and be like, yes, sir. And then leave? Oh my god. Oh my god. It called me a bitch. I never had a ghost call me a bitch. Oh, now there's two. Oh, the wall's all cracked up. This house isn't what it used to be, huh? What?
Hey,
You talking to it?
who's here?
Gorilla the Spinner.
I'm not fucking afraid.
What? Why is that song stuck in my head? Horror, Rangapicket. I thought there was gonna be a third hand. I was like, oh, how many hands you got? Yo, the painting really said you didn't put this shit back. I'm about to give you some hands. It said first I was gonna give you one, and now you earn two. You got lefty and righty. I hope you know how to dodge, bro. What are you doing? All your doors open? What is that? Is that a shrunken head? Nah, I ain't playing with this house. I would've, I would've seen that. I would've abandoned this house immediately. I ain't playing with no dark forces, bro. You ain't gonna choke me out in my sleep. Y'all ever think y'all can punch a ghost? Maybe if you dip your hand in holy water? I'll attempt it. They're about to switch places. It's like Mario, yo. Jump in.
This is my house. And I kick you out.
Oh, she know what she's doing. She know what she's doing. Except you're not supposed to show fear. Your phone fresh out the box. We're gonna see a foot. Told you. No! No, it tiptoed away. Oh, she got the eye. Manjojo. Never seen someone have the eye on their foot. You think I'm gonna look slowly? Immediately, that motherfucker gonna get caught off guard because I'm gonna look straight up at the ceiling. Oh, see you, bitch. And when you called me a bitch, I'm tussling with the demon. It turned into hoofs. You got hoofs? Oh yeah, we tussling. With each punch, I cast you out, demon. Tiptoeing. Oh shit! Why'd that catch me for a second? Les Mills, don't play with me. I like that last one. I ain't gonna lie to you. It reminds me of when you move into a house, you're supposed to clean it and all that stuff. You know, take the ghosties out. But anyway, this one is called Two Players Required, and it's by Cameron. Oh my god, Callan Gaglier. Gala. I'm sorry. I don't have the ability to read right. I never learned. Oh, you got an egg well? No, bro would love that. Un egg well. Let me get a toaster strudel with an egg well. When you go to the Chinese place and they always be like an egg well. I'm sorry, it's just a stupid meme. No, bro says it all the damn time. What's your name? Elise? Elise? Do you see these? These nuts? Got 'em. I'm sorry. Let me shut up. I talk a lot, right? I'ma zip the lip. The lip shall be zipped. It's zipping now. Oh, you want to play sorry? Sorry, I didn't zip the lip. I like your hair. What you got there? Yo, what if you play your Ouija board, but with sorry pieces? Oh? I bet you the ghost gonna be confused then. Hit him with the dice roll on a Ouija board. They're gonna be like, what are you doing? If I roll a 8, I'll talk to the demon. Play, what's that thing? The thing people play nowadays. I'm about to say World of Warcraft, not that. Where you make your own story, roleplay or something with the demon. What is it called? Dungeons and Dragons. If I... Nuh-uh, you're not allowed to haunt me unless I roll an 8. Oh, that's a 6-sided die, though. Then you can't haunt me until I get a 6. She's playing sword with the demon! That's what that was. It said move me 4 spaces, bitch. Before I toss you around this damn... Yo, I'm not someone you want to take to a movie theater. God damn, I don't shut up. How sad do you have to be to play sorry by yourself? Alright, it's the ghost turn. Look, the ghost was like, nah, you skipped me. I wanted to throw the dice. If he can move those curtains, he can throw those dice. Girl, you need to stop taking his turn. You probably just like the feel of the dice in your hand. I'm on the ghost side right now. This shit is called 2 players required, and it's only 1 player right now. Stop stealing his turn. What? What are we looking at? Oh, did it flip the table? He just moved his piece. Oh, never mind. See, he just wanted to roll the dice. Did he get a 6? You can't haunt me unless you get 6. I swear to God, if he got a 6 or a 4. Don't spin it. Go move his fucking piece. Oh, yeah, I'm flicking that dice right back in that box. Hitting him in the forehead. See, he just wanted to move his piece. Oh, he's cheating, though. He's cheating. Who's that, Jack in the Box? He's just here to give you a burger. I don't know what Jack in the Box has. A milkshake? Oh, he's just gonna scratch your back. It's probably like, you cheating ass bitch. I didn't want to move my piece there. So it haunted her because this said 2 pieces actually required. Was that Hasbro's? Hasbro sending out demons now? Like, nuh-uh, you're not allowed to be lonely and play my game. Nuh-uh, go make some friends. What? Hey, so this next one is called Catch Your Breath. And it's by Matt Sears. I hope that's how you say that name. I'm still stuck on Hasbro sending out demons. Oh,
This place is insane. Are you serious?
I thought this was those 2 YouTubers for a minute.
Disgusting. Just think of all the shit that must have happened here. Oh,
Is it them?
really
I don't know
want-
them. Seen one of their videos.
You know what, Mike? I don't want to do this anymore.
What? Come on, just do it.
No, I've changed my mind. You're just going to pull some stupid prank and make me look like an idiot.
I won't, I promise. Come on, everyone at
I think
school's
one of them
talking
is
about
called
this.
Sam.
This is so stupid. There's no way that's real.
Then why are you so scared?
I'm not scared.
Prove it's not real then.
If I do this, can we please just leave?
I feel like these 2 about to start making
I
out.
swear, if you do something.
I won't do anything.
Swear.
Swear.
Never mind, they got that Zach and Cody
Fine. What do I have to do?
kind of aura.
Yes. Right. You need to take these 2 candles.
Mum said I'm not allowed to play with fire.
What?
Seriously, Andrew? Just take the candles, go upstairs, light them, and then fill up the bath.
You want me to take a bath?
Everyone wants you to take a bath, but no. Once the bath is full, turn off the taps and say this rhyme while looking into the water.
This sounds a lot like Bloody Mary.
It's nothing like Bloody Mary.
Oh yeah? How
It's
so?
Bloody
Because
Mary with a
everyone
lot
knows
of
that's
steps.
bullshit. Just look into the water and say this rhyme. Lady beneath who drowned in this water, Lady beneath who strangled her daughter. Lady beneath whose blood that runs cold.
What's up with your
I'll
eye?
give you life with breath I can't hold.
You twitching?
And then what?
Once you've said the rhyme, put out one of the candles, then the lady beneath will appear and put out the second one. Okay, this next part's super important. Once you see the lady beneath, hold your breath for 1 minute. As long as you're holding your breath, she can't get you.
Yo, this comes with
Once you've held your breath
instructions?
for 1 minute, she'll disappear.
What,
You got
what
this
happens if I can't hold my breath that long?
I'm not sure exactly.
What, you're not sure?
Just hold your breath, okay?
You got this written down? Cause damn,
just
that's
get
a
this
lot.
one. Nice. I'll be right here.
Wait, you're not going to do it with me?
No, it only works if you're alone.
I don't know about this, Mike.
Come on, just stop being a pussy and do it.
Damn.
You not to call me that.
Yeah, you're right. Sorry. Look, you like Jenny, right?
Yeah.
Well, think how cool she's going to think you are when we tell everyone you did this.
I mean, do you got it recorded? Cause you can just go outside and say it anyway.
Nice. I'll be right here.
And you'll open the door as soon as you hear anything.
Of course.
He lying.
Alright, come here, turn around.
He wants you gone so he can get extra Christmas presents. Oh no.
Oh, wait. Lighter.
I thought that was the instructions, cause I don't even know what lady underneath you looking very neat, lady underneath. You white as a sheet, lady underneath. You drowned in the streets. I don't remember what the hell the rhyme was. Lady underneath, you died holding your breath. What? This place don't got light, but the water still run? How? Then why y'all walking around with lights and stuff? Yo, that lit very quick. My candles take a while to light. Lady underneath you was a freak in the sheets. Lady underneath used to fight on these streets. That's
Okay, here we go. Lady beneath who drowned in this water.
Oh,
Lady
my bad.
beneath who strangled her daughter. Lady beneath whose blood that runs cold. I'll give you life with breath I can't hold.
Damn, you got some good memory. He would have had to give me a sticky note with the everything written down. I'd rather just do the Bloody Mary one than this. This is too much. It's a lot of instructions.
Mike! I told you nothing was...
Oh, nah. Just leave the room, kid. Watch out, jump scare. Oh, nah. Leave.
Come on.
You breathing on that lighter. Oh. You got the lady from PT up in this house. I thought she slapped him. How's he? Oh yeah.
Mike!
Yo, catch your breath and hold that shit. like my grandma. I used to play this with grandma too. That's a cool design. Ah! Oh, you broke your spine, bro. Punctured a lung. That's a crazy shot. Put your arms down, though, lady. How'd they do that? Oh, this ghost is trash. This ghost, you got the dumbest weakness. Just hold your breath. Shit, I'll hold my breath, walk away. Can I hit her? Hold your breath, pick up a chair, and smack her over the head with it. Can you even leave the room?
Oh, fuck, no! Andrew, wake up, please! No!
I don't.
Andrew,
Look at
come
his
on,
face.
Wake up! Andrew, please! Please,
Feel
wake
like the
up.
mold
I'm
has
sorry.
taken over him.
Andrew, come on! Andrew, please.
Okay, well, they got both of them. I can't. This one. The monster was a cool design, but, like, why? This was just like, come on, wake up, bro. He's gone. He's gone. The mole took over. He's gone. He ain't no Ethan Winters. He's dead. This next one is called Overtime by Red Tower. Spectacular. Ooh, we're in for a fright. The nail clipper. Not nail clipper. Ooh, am I dumb? Or is it a nail clipper? Is that what it's called? Staple remover. That's it. I haven't seen one of those in a while. Ooh, you working. Friday the 13th. Ooh, you working. I love a working man. We don't love a Satan worshiper.
Ralph.
Oh, your name is Ralph?
Simon, I really have to get home.
Yeah, sorry, pal. Tax department. Pack of dogs they are.
But, Simon... No worries, Simon.
Oh. Fuck you looking at? Huh, Jenny? Oh, Ralph. Okay, you like her? Jenny, look all you want. He a working man. Is he Satan?
Oh, whoa.
What's the big rush?
Nothing. Just got...
Big date.
No.
No. Listen, Ralph. I know you're a private kind of guy. I respect that, I do.
Okay.
But let me give you a little bit of free advice.
Okay.
Are you a bully?
Don't keep secrets, yeah?
Yeah, nah.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
distances you
nah.
from people.
Yeah.
Yeah? And you can't keep them forever, right?
No. Good. I should...
I know you're a big secret, Ralph.
You're like Jenny.
Really?
Just let loose and have some fun, all right?
What is his fucking secret? He's halftime Satan or something?
Siri, how long until the moon rises?
Oh, you a werewolf.
Moon rises in 15 minutes. Did you know that tonight is a full moon, Ralph?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Just in time.
Oop, Jenny from the.
Hey, Megan.
Oh, Megan. Oh, Megan, you about to get ate and not in the good way. You a werewolf or a vampire?
Did you just sniff me?
No.
No.
No. Just, it's hay fever. Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, Ralph, you kind of cute.
So, big plans for tonight?
Nope.
Megan, why'd you look at that?
Well, it's a Friday night, big man. You should be tearing up the town.
He's like, yup.
What?
Oh my god, they planned it. Oh my god.
Oh, shit! Jesus, Megan, aren't you worried about this?
Oh
There are
no.
worse people I could be stuck with.
Megan. Megan, sweetheart. Not on office grounds. Oh my god, Megan. Megan, you can't wait. Kids, look away. Look away. Ah! Are you hairy? Oh?
What's wrong?
Sorry, I shouldn't,
No, it's okay. It's okay.
no, sorry. Yeah.
Did you want to get out of there, Ralph?
Yep.
Just a few more minutes, stud.
What, and her friend was out here watching it? Nah, Megan, you a freak. Don't act mad, and don't file a report after this. Because he will put you in the ground, or a dinner plate.
Ralphino!
Y'all.
Oh, you will not believe it, mate.
Are you fucking with me, Sean?
I know, right? What are the chances? Right in front of your car. Hey, mate, do you reckon you could give me a hand?
I have to get home.
Okay.
Ralph, you strong. Push this
I'll
car.
give you a push.
Yes!
Just hang on. Let me get to the handbrake, alright?
You don't even need that
Shit,
handbrake.
man, it's stuck.
You got in the car that quick?
What the fuck?
Don't what the fuck, Ralph. He busy.
Dickhead.
He's a working man. He pushed your damn car, you ass. He put you on a dinner plate.
Come on. Come on.
Oh my god. Oh, he about to put him on a dinner plate. I feel bad for Ralph. He about to wreck it, my guy. Oh my god! I was thinking like there's gonna be a party in his house. Wait, Megan? Oh yeah, you about to put him on a dinner plate.
Son?
You don't know your...
Ralph.
Are y'all not part werewolf? Oh, he about to have a feast. Get your food, Ralph. I can't. Poor Ralph. This man. He just wanted to get his ass. Wait, there's more.
Did I miss it?
Oh my.
Guys?
There's. Sean. Sean, just get back in your car, Sean. Sean, just go home. This next one is called Caregiver, and it's by Rafael De Leon. De Leon Jr.
Can you look at the camera for a sec?
Okay.
Nora?
No.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I was up late last night with my father, and I spent all day at the senior center. So.
Well, it's a great thing you're doing for them. And me, for that matter.
Yeah. I mean, I saw your ad in the library, and I figured it might be interesting for your class project.
Oh, hold on.
Well, thanks again for doing this. So.
I don't trust it.
It's really crazy I haven't seen you around campus before.
Usually I'm just in the AV studio. So.
Nope.
So to get started, what made you want to volunteer? What was that?
Oh, that's just my father. He's hungry, but I fed him before you got here.
Oh, do you need to...
No, it's fine. You were saying.
What made you want to volunteer? And
I don't trust Nora now, never mind.
Life, I guess. I mean, after my mom passed away from her illness and seeing what she went through with her own folks, I knew my father was gonna need me.
What snacks y'all got? I had a flan earlier.
The people I help, they don't have anybody else.
I'm gonna go get a Red Bull after this.
You know, I really like that you're a one-man band, doing all of this yourself. It's really cool.
Thanks. Yeah, I just work better alone.
Yo, you good, Nora?
I'm so sorry. I keep messing up your interview.
I'm just nervous. Be Megan.
Totally fine. Do you find it rewarding?
Helping? Of course. They're wonderful people. For instance, there's Catherine, who never fails to make me laugh. Sometimes so hard that I piss myself. Really. And then there's...
why are you smiling about that? I don't know, like,
Lucy, who is so sweet. She's got the biggest heart. I love her.
You good?
She reminds me of my mom. You know, the kind of person that puts the needs of others before their own. Shit, I'm sorry.
No worries. Take your time.
I'll just cut that out.
Hmm?
You'll cut that out, right?
If you want me to, sure.
No.
Okay, good. Father hates seeing me cry.
Father?
Right before he died, he'd say not to cry because he'd always be there. I didn't really ever...
This man caught it. Hold up. Who's in that room?
Know what that meant.
Lucy?
You mean your mom, right? You said you're taking care of your dad?
Who? Oh, yeah, you got caught.
Yes. I am out of it today, aren't I? Go back to your room.
Who are you talking to?
My dad.
My father.
Wait, so is your dad alive, or?
Not yet.
Nah, she got a vampire in there.
Who's there?
It's no one. Let's just go back to the interview.
Yeah, leave. Jump out the window. I'll hit her with the clipboard.
Somebody help!
There's no one there. He's still grunting. Damn. I would have been like, oh, I'm dead. I can't. I'm dead.
I'm so sorry, Troy.
Who's that? Who's that? Who is that? That shit look like me when I'm looking for Red Bull or coffee.
Finish your project to make it look nice. Okay.
I don't think he cares about that project. Ew. Ew. He like a zombie from Plants and... From Plants vs. Zombies. Nora! Nora, you ain't have to do Troy like that. Should have just killed him immediately. You let him suffer. You're awful, Nora. This is our last one for today, and it's called Disfigured by ACM Official. It's been a minute, ACM. Ooh, skills. Oh, scary. You remind me of Miss Frizz. What you drawing there? Why is he happy? What you drinking? Big cup of nothing? Oh, what the? That's the most devious smile I ever seen in my life. And then you're just gonna be like, okay. You need to figure out what just happened. You ever done that before? There's no way you that calm, because I would have been like, don't even try it, little man. He's gonna draw himself with a knife. He's covered in blood. The skinny legend over here. Ooh, you look comfy. No way. How you turn the doorknob? I love it. How is this thing gonna kill? Watch out, what if it touches your butt? I'll kick it. Don't touch my butt. Is it drawing on her? It stitched up her mouth. Huh? Oh my god, it's Doodle Bob! Manoy hoy manoy! Yo, manoy noy manoy! Oh my god, no! No, it erased her existence! Oh, manoy hoy manoy noy manoy hoy manoy! These were just funny, huh? These were funny. Well, I think it was a little better than last week's. Manoy hoy manoy and all that. But, if you... I try to make this one a little longer because this is going to be our last spine-tingling Saturday of the year. I only do these in October, you know? I can't, bro. Did you enjoy this spine-tingling Saturday? Did your spine feel a little tingle? I sure hope it did. If you liked the video, you liked the video. And all that. Go watch these with your grandparents. And get them to subscribe. Nully's after your grandparents. That's what I'm here for. But, I will see you guys next time. And goodbye. Goodbye to the spine-tingling Saturdays. Until next year. Goodbye.